Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Madankar, working in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur. In the current COVID pandemic, it is mandatory to sanitize hand regularly. A normal hand sanitizer is operated by hand or foot. We have to apply certain pressure on it. When the pressure is released, hand sanitizing liquid will be pumped out. So, this was the basic introduction to the work of general hand sanitizer. I have developed touch-free hand sanitizer machine. So, this is my working model. So, now I will demonstrate how my working model is going to work. So, now keep your hand below the neck. This is the neck of my working model. Sensors will sense the presence of your hand and it will drop few droplet of liquid. After taking adequate amount of liquid, you have to just remove your hand. The sensors will now deactivate the machine. So this is the basic working of my model. So this model can be used at schools, colleges, government offices, private offices. The main advantages are it is an automatic hand sanitizer machine. It is touchless device which helps to ensure that there is no cross contamination between repeated uses. Second advantage is an automatic hand sanitizer is a lot easier to maintain for a number of reasons. With health and hygiene having become a key priority, these devices can be make life lot simpler. Machine will only distribute set amount of liquid per motion activation, which will ultimately reduce the wastage of sanitizer. And the last main advantage of machine is it is cost effective. Now let's come to the technical specification of the model. The first technical specification is this model is made for 1 liter capacity. It is contactless and the weight of this model is approximately 200 gram and it required electric input which is 230 volt AC and it will require 2 ampere current. So these all are the technical specification of my model. So I request all to use this model. It is cost effective and it is very useful in this current COVID pandemic. So thank you very much.